Hi guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I am going to teach you the callback functions. So what are these callback functions? These callback functions will be executed when all the code executed when the request is sent. If there is an error, so we can give the callback function. It will execute when the error comes. When the request is successful, we can execute a success callback function. So now here is, and now here first of all I'm gonna because we have to apply these callback functions on the same request, so we don't need to write $.get again. Here I'm gonna write dot, and here is the error is the name of that callback function that will execute when the error comes. And here is the function, and here it is. So now what is going to happen here? I want to tell you something. When this callback function, this is the name of the function, it will execute when any error comes. So now this function have only concern with this page. It have not any concern with the PHP page. Here you see that this is the PHP page. Here we will receive the request and we will print the names. So we don't have any concern with this page. This is the receiving side. This error function will be executed when there is an error in sending request. If there is a wrong name, if there is, here you see that this is the wrong name of the page, so this will be print on the screen. Here is, this is the div, and in this div I'm going to print here is div dot append. Here is, I'm going to append new line, and here I'm going to error. This is any type of error. If the page name is wrong, or type is wrong, page type is wrong. So here you see that if I type anything, so submit it, so here is the error. So this is telling us there is an error in sending your request in anywhere. This is an error. So there is another callback function whose name is complete. So what is this? This function will be execute when this statement, when the statement of sending request will be execute. When this statement is just execute while their page name is wrong and the request will not be sent, just this statement execute, then this callback function execute. I just want to tell you this thing. And now this is the complete function, and now this it will execute when this statement just execute while it have the crap, it have the worthless things, the page name is wrong, don't care, just this line execute, this will execute. So here I'm going to show you. Here is div append. It's what its function is just to show the user that the request execute means request statement execute. Here I'm going to show you. Here is request statement execute, request execute, here request statement execute, request statement execute. Here is, so now here you see that page name is wrong, so here is the error, but request statement execute. So this is another callback function. And there is also another callback function whose name is success. This callback function will be execute when a request is successfully sent it. So here I just forgot the spellings of the success. So here is a request successful means when the request is sent it. No concern if there is an error in the PHP page. So now here is Now at this time the page name is wrong, so that callback function will not print. But here if we correct it, so now here is, if I type, and here you see that these are all the things, these are the PHP page thing. So I will see it here. You see that request success, so request is successfully sent it and request statement execute and there is no error. And what that thing here, I'm going to check it. Here is the variable name is wrong. Maybe sometime I have just typed it by an error. Here you see that it is okay. So now all the things are okay. You have understand these callback functions. If you have any problems, so kindly add the discussion. I will help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.